review our nouns. Remember that nouns? What is a noun? A noun is a person, place, or thing. A noun is a person, place, or thing. A noun is a person, place, or thing. Teacher, school, park, or car. Teacher, school, park, or car. A noun is a person, place, or thing. A noun is a person, place, or thing. A noun is a person, place, or thing. Very nice. Now let's write our sentences. So number 1, I like your brown hat. I, capital I, beginning of a sentence, like your brown hat. And then put a period at the end of hat. So is hat a thing? Yes, it is. So hat is the noun. So we're going to put a capital N underneath. And for noun. Number 2. She is going to school. She is going to school. So what is a noun again? A noun is a person, place, or thing. A noun is a person, place, or thing. She is going to school. So school is the noun. Underline school. She, capital S, the beginning of a sentence. She is going to school. Let's put an N underneath. Number 3. They, capital T for they. They went to play at the park. They went to play at the park. What is a noun again? A noun is a person, place, or thing. A noun is a person, place, or thing. A noun is a person, place, or thing. So park is a place that has to be a noun. Underline it. Capital N for noun. So again, number 1. I like your brown hat. Hat is a thing. Noun. Number 2. She is going to school. School is a place. A noun is a person, place, or thing. School is a place and for noun. Number 3. They went to play at the park. Park is a place. A noun is a person, place, or thing. Park. It's a place. School is a place, so noun, noun. And hat is a thing, so that's noun. You can also say teacher, school, park, and car. Let's sing the song. A noun is a person, place, or thing. A noun is a person, place, or thing. Teacher, school, park, or car. Teacher, school, park, or car. A noun is a person, place, or thing. A noun is a person, place, or thing. A noun is a person, place, or thing. Moving on, let's go now to adjectives. Remember that adjectives describe a noun. Adjectives describe many things. We like her red shoes. We like her red shoes. So it's describing shoes. Shoes is the noun because shoes, your shoes, that's a thing, right? Red, so it's describing the shoe, describing the thing. So yeah, it's an adjective. Let's put a capital A underneath it. A for adjective. Let's go to number 2. It, capital I for it, beginning of a sentence, capitalize. It is a cloudless blue sky weather today. That's a long sentence. It is a cloudless blue sky weather today. So we have 2 words describing the sky. Cloudless. What does that mean, cloudless? No clouds. No clouds in the sky. It's a cloudless sky. And blue. because it's a color. All the colors are adjectives if you put it next to a noun, right? It is a cloudless blue sky weather today. So we're going to put capital A under cloudless and capital A under blue. Let's go to number 3. You have pretty feet. You have pretty feet. Capital Y, because it's at the beginning of a sentence. You have pretty feet. Don't forget the period at the end of each sentence. You have pretty feet. So pretty, that's an adjective. So what are adjectives? They describe things. They describe a noun. Adjectives describe many, many things. Adjectives describe many, many things. Red, orange, green, yellow, violet, and blue. Pretty, little, tall, and beautiful. Adjectives describe many, many things. Adjectives describe many, many things. Adjectives describe many, many things. One more time. Adjectives describe many, many things. Adjectives describe many, many things. Red, orange, green, yellow, violet, and blue. Pretty, little, tall, and beautiful. Adjectives describe many, many things. Adjectives describe many, many things. Adjectives describe many, many things. Beautiful. Let's move on to verbs. I like verbs. What's a verb? It's an action word. A verb is an action word. A verb, an action word. A verb, an action word. Jumping, laughing, dancing, and singing. Jumping, laughing, dancing, and singing. A verb, an action word. A verb, an action word. A verb, an action word. An action word. All right, number 1. She won't stop laughing at his jokes. That's easy. What's the verb? She won't stop laughing at his jokes. Laughing. So we put a capital V. Number 2. They are dancing to great music. They are dancing. That's doing something. Dancing. Boogie, boogie, boogie. So we put a capital V. Number 3, he is reading a funny book. Number 3, capital H at the beginning of a sentence. He is reading a funny book. Don't forget to put a period at the end of the sentence. Underline reading and put a capital B for the verb. That's your verb. Okay? All right, let's sing again. What is a verb? An action word. A verb, a verb, an action word. A verb, an action word. Dancing, laughing, clapping, and jumping. Dancing, laughing, clapping, and jumping. A verb, an action word. A verb, an action word. A verb, an action word. Very nice. Hope you enjoyed this class. Remember to capitalize the first letter of the first word in the beginning of your sentence. Remember to also put a period at the end of each sentence. Do not forget your punctuation marks. Very nice. Why don't we put them all together? Let's start with nouns, move on to adjectives, and then move on to verbs. That's a challenge. Here we go. A noun is a person, place, or thing. A noun is a person, place, or thing. Teacher, school, park, and car. Teacher, school, park, and car. A noun is a person, place, or thing. A noun is a person, place, or thing. A noun is a person, place, or thing. Many, many things. Adjectives describe many, many things. Red, orange, green, yellow, violet, and blue. Pretty, little, tall, and beautiful. Adjectives describe many, many things. Adjectives describe many, many things. Adjectives describe many, many things. And a verb. A verb, an action word. A verb, an action word. Dancing, laughing, clapping, and singing. Dancing, laughing, clapping, and singing. A verb, an action word. A verb, an action word. A verb, an action word. You should feel very proud of yourself. Continue to write your own sentences. Underline your nouns, your adjectives, and your verbs. Hope to see you next time. Have a beautiful day. Adjective, beautiful.